Hey, what's going on, RC drivers and RC drag racers? Welcome back to the channel. This is the new Traxxas start light, and I got this in yesterday, threw a quick video up on Instagram and got a bunch of messages asking questions about it, so I thought I'd do a video here to break it down even further. This is a start light. That's it. A lot of people were asking if it does timing. No, it does not. Does it check for red lights? No, it does not. It is a simple starting light to help make racing a bit more fair for those of you that may have something organized set up. Maybe you're just racing some buddies, you want something a bit more fair, or maybe you're just looking to improve your reaction time from when the light goes off to when you pull the trigger, and that's what this unit is good for. Now, let's check it out. It comes in this little box that you see here. It comes with an instruction sheet, really easy to follow, but really well constructed, pretty neat with the details on here. I mean, they could have just gave you a black box, but they threw some decals on it. There are your lights up front. It does have a start button up top and an on-off switch on the bottom. Now, the only thing you need to provide for this is 3 AAA batteries, and it goes under that battery door there. So once you put that in, you just turn it on, and the green light lets you know that it is on, and then you hit the start button. And what you'll see is this amber flashing light up top, and that's just your staging light. Lets the drivers know that they need to get on the line. And then once it gets down to, I think it's about 10 seconds or so, once it gets to that amber light, you know that you have to be ready to go because the light is gonna go off. There we go. And you need to punch the throttle. So in that respect, it works really well. So if you wanna go out, get some practice on your own, like I said, or if you have some sort of basic racing setup, it really does come in handy. And it's 35 bucks, which is pretty good for a tool that could help you with your drag racing. Now, it does have one extra feature that I wanna talk about. You could go and use the Winch Remote, or I guess it's just the Traxxas remote, to operate this separately. You don't have to push the button. So let me just grab my remote here. I have it actually set up for my winch, but what you do is you go through a quick program or binding sequence to hook it up to one of these Traxxas remotes, and these are available separately. And once you have it bound, there is a start light, and I believe it was the bottom one. So there you go. You just hold down the bottom one and it will start. So if you have a race director that is starting your club racing or whatever, you could just have them hit the button, or you could hit the countdown button. It will go to the staging light, which is the amber light, and then when you're ready to start the race on your own, you just hit the start light. So there is that option. And then finally, you could go and hold down the countdown button for 3 seconds, and then it goes into that whole staging and start mode that I showed you before, just by hitting the start button on top. So this allows you to do everything separate. For example, someone else to go and start the race for you. So it's a pretty neat gadget to have on hand for racing. Let's just head outside for a quick second. I want to check out my reaction time with my drag slash. All right, guys, we're gonna do a quick demo here in my driveway. I already have the start light turned on, and I'm just gonna hit the start button. There's our flashing amber, lets us know we got to get to the line. And now we'll wait for the solid. There it is, watch the light. Nice, I think I got my reaction pretty good there. Now I just want to show you guys really quick the remote option that you can get. Show you how that works. Just line this up again. All right, so if you have a race director or someone wants to start the race, you could just hit the light, or you could go hit the countdown button, lets everybody know they got to watch the light, and then you could hit it on your own, or you could hold it down again, like I said before, wait for it to blink. There it is. Now we know we got to get to the line. Wait for this solid amber. It's coming. Any second now. It's like 10. There it is. Watch the light. Bam, there we go. Cool. It's a pretty neat little device to have if you're really into drag racing. Let me know what you think about this in the comments section below. I'll have links in the video description. While you're down there, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell. Throw the video a like. We'll see you back soon for some more RC Driver videos.